Oh, no, 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 no. You know, I know I could just honestly come back and try to grab everything, but what's the fun in that, you know? This is so much fun trying to drive this little tractor up and down little hills here. And there we go. Alright. Whee! Alright, well, let's go home. I'm hoping that's enough logs to get us going here. We'll check to see how much bark we have, how much chipboard we have. I mean, yes, I know we could just keep on chopping trees down, but I don't know if that's where the point where we're at right now or not. I mean, basically we know we need to make about 50 trips to make enough money. So and we're definitely not doing any of the wet stuff. It's only going to be dry. It's not worth it taking the wet ones. So we'll just keep on piling up the wet ones here and sell all the dry stuff. Come on. Come on. Alrighty, alrighty, come on. Here we go. Let's get her done, guys. Let's get her done. Alright, we're still loading up logs from the last time too, so that's good. Trying to keep that mill running just about non-stop here. We would need a lot more logs in the water though for that to happen. Alright, so how much do we have here? We have 37 of these ready to sell. Plus there's going to be more. How much bark do we have? We have 16,000 kilograms, so that's good. So plus we already have 4,000 in the trailer. Right? We have 4,000. Yep, I think the trailer is full. Yep, okay. So that is 5 trips of bark. Plus let's see here. 5 full trips of this. So that's not too bad. That's 9 trips. And then we know we have at least 2 trips of dry wood that'll be ready tomorrow here, because it'll be, oh, do we have a 0 already? We have 1 0. But everything else is like 5, 4, 3, yep. Alright, so we're gonna need some rest here, because we got lots of hauling to do tomorrow. So tomorrow, if there's transport jobs, I don't know if we'll do them. We might just, if there's a fix-it job, that'll be good. That's good money there. The find a sheep, I mean, for 50 bucks, I don't know if it's worth it or not. The transport ones, it's just, they take the amount of time I'd rather be selling stuff. So let's go to bed, wake up on a good day. Okay, we are well rested and ready to rock and roll. surprised they allow you to jump them. You max the wet plank storage limit? No, not that I know of. Yeah, it's still going up. I mean, it's at 101. I mean, that's a weird max rating if it's 101. And there should be still, yeah, there's still logs coming down here too. So we still got, your best is 173 so far. Wow. Yep. Yeah, I haven't done that much. I used a lot of the wet planks to repair all the buildings, and I don't know. Have you done all the repairs on the buildings yet? I don't know if you have or not. I don't remember you doing that. Oh, I should have checked. Oh, it has a humidity of 1. Come on, really? It has a humidity of 1. And I can't put them back in here, can I? I need to put the high-low back on here. They have a humidity of 1. Alright. Let's go put this in here then. We'll pick up these boards over here. I gotta get into a better position here. Come on, squeeze her in there. There we go. And still give me a good camera angle. Buy farm first, then repair, repaint when available. Yep. Yep. Yeah, so a lot of my wood went there because I've repaired everything. So that actually takes quite a bit. No, we missed the one in the back here. Okay, give me 2 more, then we'll grab the high-low, put it back in the dryer. We got to wait the 1% here. But we have this, we have all the bark we can take in, so we can do those boards last anyways, it's all good. Your community spoke, you listened, yeah. Nope, understood. I don't want to put them back in here with a humidity of 1. That's so silly here. Why do they gotta have 1? Come on. And I probably grabbed the only ones that are still at 1 too, right? Oh, come on, man. Learn how to drive this forklift. What am I hitting still? Game? Game, hello. I'm pressing forward. Hello. Tow truck maybe? Alright. Why'd it put me way out here though? I tried lowering the forks, I tried raising the forks. Nothing was happening there. I haven't seen that one before, so I don't know if I can even reproduce that one. At least the pallet's right where it was, though. That's going to be fun to pick up. Can we at least get it flat? Come on, just nudge it with the side here. A little bump there. Alright, let's grab the other one here. You know, the whole idea was to make money today, not spend money. I mean, it is only $200. I still hate these doors. Jump off and push it, yeah. Oh, yeah, the pallet, yeah. Um, okay. I can't get it to lay flat. I'm hoping that's flat enough. There we go, it's flat enough. Okay, let's actually see if we can get it in here without having the world all go crazy on us here. Okay, yep, I know we could have done a better job of pushing that in, but that's alright. Yeah, humidity 1, humidity 1. These are okay, these are all 0. So these 4 are done. But that's fine. We're going to do all the chipboard first here. So let's go sell it. Now it'd be nice if then later on in the game we can actually use this for something. You know, whether it be flooring, roofing, you know. That'd be kind of neat. I didn't even check to see what dailies there was already. Or I didn't check the greenhouse or the honey. I am slacking at everything. Holy cow. I suck as a gamer. There's so many things that you always want to do and you just forget half of them. Alright, let's... What is this? This is going to be our 2100, I think it is. Is that the price for these? And you know we're going to have to... we are going to have to cut down a bunch more trees here. I know by no means do we have anywhere near the amount. Yeah, 1,800 here. So, and those 50 trips were based on making $2,000 each. So, we need to get about 120ish. That is our goal here. So we have lots of money that we have to make. We do have lots that we can sell, but I just don't think it's going to be enough here. So I guess it goes down to the other question again. Do we just pay off the uncle? Or do we just bite the bullet, save up, get the tractor, get the trailer. That way we can do more and then pay off the uncle. Because right now, I mean, there's no reason to pay off the uncle. As of right now. I mean, yeah, you can take down the for sale signs, but there's nothing past it yet. So we could wait, I think. So I think the push would be to get the tractor and the trailer. Oh, there we go. Come on. Squeeze her in there. Come on, hurry up and make it. Make it, make it, make it. Wrong one. Let's pick up this one. Come on. Come on. came. It says there's 27 waiting to create. Why is it not creating anymore? Because the truck was in the way, that's why. It wasn't in the way on the other 5, but for that reason, on that one it was. Alright, let's go make another $1,800. And I don't know if that's really like a fair price or not. I've never bought a truckload of OSB board, so... I would assume it's a fair price, but... Alright. So away we go to go sell again. You know, since we're out here, let's check to see what we got here. We have find a missing sheep.
All right.
Get tractor and trailer, but two
Get
more
tractor
days.
and trailer, but 2 more days before update.
Did that get released? I have not seen that yet. We do have a repair job. I do want to do the repair job. And we have 2 icons up here. Why are you saying before 2 more days, though? Did they post something on the Discord? I have not seen that. I'm going to have to look into that now. Or are you just guessing because they didn't put one out last Friday that they're going to put out something this Friday? 2 days will... I understand that. So we're hoping that we get an update in 2 days. Right. But I'm going to guess that most of it will be bug fixes. And maybe possibly the cooking. That'd be my guess on what would be the next major addition. Would be the cooking part. And cooking would be nice because then we could actually... I could make food and sell that, so... Or maybe, just maybe, we can get some animals. And then we can get off our apple and mushroom diet, apple, mushroom, and fish diet. And actually get some milk and eggs, go back to our Farmer's Dynasty diet of just eggs all the time. That would be nice. Equipment might be nice, yeah. Yeah, the new Ponzi stuff. I don't know if there's a need for that yet. I mean, yes, it's a want, don't get me wrong, but I don't know if there's a need for that as of yet. I think there's other basic functions in the game that would be a little bit more important, in my opinion anyways, to add. Like, I would love to have the cooking, or possibly, if they've done it yet, the regrowth. But I doubt that's done yet anyways. So they got a little bit of time before we got to worry about planning. I mean, because as of right now, there's no seasons yet. So, oh, excuse me. All right, but I will have 5 lots to pick up soon. Almost done the 3rd. Wow. Yeah, you are trucking today. That's for sure. You're getting all kinds of movement. Okay, let's make sure that we're away from it. That way the pallets can create. Alrighty here. Come on. Come on, pick her up. Alright. So yeah, I think we're gonna save for the tractor and trailer. The uncle, I'm sorry uncle, but you're just gonna have to wait. Just don't know if it's gonna be in my best interest yet to pay you off. And plus, once I can haul more. Well, there's another thing too, as far as the equipment goes. those trailers that we haven't been able to buy yet, and that other truck that we haven't been able to buy to carry the logs. The full, yeah, that might come in handy. Are we full again? Yes, we are. All right. Yeah, don't mind me, tractor. I'm just driving over you. So we'll drop off this. I think I'm going to go run out and go do that repair mission here real quick. Hopefully that's going to be some good money. I mean, we do have social points. We could use some social points to kind of knock down the prices a little bit. Normally, I would be totally against that, but I think this early in the game, I think we'll have plenty of time to regain the social points back. So I know in Farmers Dynasty I would never do that because getting that million social points takes for frickin' ever. But yeah. You know, another thing that would be nice though too is if more log drops were going to happen. So there's a lot of things that could possibly be up in this next update. But I'm going to guess, if I had to take a wild guess, that cooking would be the one that they want to focus on. A field survey, want equipment more than food. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't know. I'm going to just go off on a wild limb and say more people wanted food than they did equipment. The amount of equipment that is in the game, well, faster dryers, of course, yeah, that would be, or the ability to upgrade them at least, you know, that'd be nice. So I don't know how doable that is. All right, let's run up and do this repair job here. The repair job hopefully shouldn't take us that long. This is the only mission that we're going to do today. Food is cheap, to a degree, yes. And I mean, it's not like you absolutely need food. I mean, it's just it helps you out. Because right now, you really only need food when you got to pick up logs. So, man, we're riding on the rim here. All right, how do we get to this place here? Okay. Oh, that's the broken bridge. Darn it. I went the wrong way, didn't I? Yes, I did. Alright. Gotta go this way. Logs and dailies. Well, no, right now that's the only thing you can do is logs and dailies, so I mean, I'd be more happy with quality of life aspects in the game versus making my game faster. As long as I have stuff to do in the game, I'm comfortable with it taking a long time to get stuff done. I'm okay with it. But if I have nothing to do and I'm just waiting on a dryer to be done, then I run into a little issue. No, need for grabbing logs and able to do daily quests. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one truck would be nice. Hey, Steve, how you doing?
Can't talk to you now.
Oh yes, you're too busy kicking the your driveway. Pull that weed. Come on, pull the weed. There you go.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Need me to help?
Yep. Okay. Oh,
Sure.
really? You're only gonna pay me $400? All right, fine. What building do we have to do? Where's it at? Where is it at? This one right here? Okay. Okay. Come on, jump. Get my acrobatic construction going on. Come on. Oh, don't make me get the scaffolding for this little piece. Come on. Okay, can I move a barrel over there? Nope, can't move a barrel. Alright, but we can jump on a barrel, can't we? Or do we automatically jump over it? Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. Acrobatic construction. We got it. We can do it. Okay. Get all the outside done here before we jump on the roof here. Yeah, I'm not in a rush to get everything. I mean, yes, it'd be nice to have it, but I'm more in it for the long haul here. I mean, all you gotta do is look at how many hours I have on my current gameplay of Farmers Dynasty, and I still don't have everything. Alright, this one I think we might, maybe, I don't know. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on, we were standing on top of the fence. There we go. Come on, get on top. Alright, fine. Give me a round. Give me a round. Can we climb up on the firewood? Come on. I'm right there. Click it. There we go. Alright. Inside we go. I mean, I would love to have the ability to have chickens right now. Chickens or cows. I think that would be nice. Or these, the sheep that they keep on talking about, you know? I mean, and what are we going to be able to do with the sheep? Are we going to be able to, like, sell the wool? Weather was hot today. Really enjoying AC right now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I had my hot days the last 2 days. Today was only 89 where I'm at. So, well, it was a little, a little less. But this weekend is supposed to drop back in the 40s for me. So, I'm like, all right. Gotta love Michigan. What still needs to be done? Or did we do it all and I just didn't see the prompt? Oh, okay, we did it. Nicely done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. So all that for $400. Well, I mean, it's something. It's $400 more dollars. 90 plus for us. Same tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. I think tomorrow is our last hot day. But it's still like high 80s. And then it goes down. This last weekend was a scorcher. Like 95, 96, I want to say. Somewhere in that area. So I'm not used to that right now. Not at this time of the year. So that's why yesterday when I got home after work, it was 85 degrees out. I'm like, all right, well, I got to mow my lawn. I'm just gonna suck it up and go with it. And I think next week is all supposed to be nice and cool and rain all week. So, yep, 2020. I'm telling you, it just needs to reset. I wonder if the dryer will still dry if we still got our door open. Guess we'll find that one out. All right, well, let's go grab some more here.